Hey guys, what's up? Welcome you once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial. Guys, today I'm gonna show you 5 awesome Facebook tricks which gonna make your daily Facebook experience much better. So guys, let's get started. So guys, let's head to the first trick in the Facebook. Let's open the Facebook. Guys, if there are lots of posts in your feed and if you deleting them one by one is really time consuming and it's really irritating. So if you wanna delete any post of yours or any other person, so you can do this very easily now. You just need to click on this settings option. Then on the top here you can see filters. Click on that, and now here you can see 2 options, right? Posted by. So if you just click on this, then if you want to delete your post in your feed, then you need to click on you, and after that click on done. So then here you can see I can now only see my posts in my feed. So then you just need to select all the posts you want to delete and then go and hit on this delete button. Okay, and similarly if you want to delete any others post, the process is same. Click on the filter option, then click on the posted by, and now click on the others. Now click on the done in your feed, so you can see. So you can all similarly select them and go for this delete button. Okay, now guys, it's time to show you the next settings. Guys, if you upload a lots of photos in Facebook daily, then you must know that the picture quality decreases a lot when you upload any photo. So in that case, I'm going to show you a trick by which you can actually upload a photo in HD without compromising the photo quality. So for this, what you need to do, click on this 3 dash and settings, and then scroll down and go to the bottommost part, and from here you can see this option, media and contacts. Click on this, and from here you can see this option, upload photos in HD, right? Just enable this option, and if you want to also upload videos in HD, enable this option. Now you can actually upload photos and videos in their original quality. Now guys, it's time to go for the third. Guys, it's time to show you the third trick in the list. Guys, in many apps and websites you log in through your Facebook, and if you wanna see the records of those apps and websites, you can easily do this. So for this, again, go to these 3 dashes, click on the settings and privacy, then click on the settings and then scroll down, and here you can see option apps and websites. Click on this, and now you can actually check where you have logged in through your Facebook. So I have just logged in the PUBG through my Facebook account. So you can see also the expired and removed ones also. So guys, that was the third trick, and I want to show you another thing. If you just click on this security and login, and if you can see where you are logged in, so you can see all the devices where your accounts are logged in. So you can see all the accounts, and if you find any suspicious device over here, so you just need to click on these 3 dots, and then you just need to click on this logout option, right? So guys, that was the third trick. Now it's time to show you the fourth trick. In Facebook you can chat and you can do lots of things, but you can also check latest updates about many movies. So for this, let's go to the Facebook at first and click on the 3 dashes and see more, this option. If you just click on this, so from here you will get the option of movies. So you can see the option. If you click on that, so from here you can see a lots of movies, and you can get updated whenever a new movie comes in theater. So if you click on this see all, so you can see all the movies coming soon. And from here, not only you can get updated, you can also book your tickets from here easily. So guys, that was the fourth trick. Now it's time to show you the final trick. Guys, if you do not use Facebook application and if you wanna download any video, let's say you like some video in Facebook, so how you can do this? From the app it is really easy. You can just click on these 3 dots, and here you have a download option. But let's say if you're not using any app, you have opened your Facebook account in any browser. So for that, I have an awesome website for you. You just need to copy your Facebook video, that video link. Then you just need to head over to that website. So I'm gonna open that website in the Chrome. So let's open the Chrome, and the website name is fbdown.net. So I'm gonna show you fb fbdown.net. So you can see the name. So then go, and you can see this website look like this. Then you just need to paste that Facebook link, video link. Yeah. Then click on the download option, and here you'll get few resolutions to download it. You can also click on the more options. So I just click on this force download HD option. So when you click on that, okay, so here you can see the video is started to download. So you can see now you can open the video also, and you can play the video, right? So guys, that was today's video. Hope you enjoy this. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon to never miss video from our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Have a great day. Good night.